everyone, in this video I will teach you about the payment notification section of our newly launched feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is WhatsApp payments. So what if you want to send a notification towards your customer regarding successful or failed payment statuses? So in this video I will teach you the setup of how you can automatically share messages towards your customers whose payment status are either successful or failed. Okay, now over here, to come towards the payment notification section, you have to go towards this WhatsApp payment section and the section payment notifications right here. And if you will scroll down, you will see two sections in front of you: manage payment success notifications as well as manage payment failure notifications. Okay, either the payment is going to be successful or failed. So we are going to notify the customers regarding the conditions of those payment statuses. Okay. Now over here, for the manage payment success notifications, if I want to notify my customer as soon as the payment status has been updated as successful, how can we set up that auto sending message system? For that, simple enable the payment success notification section from here, and then firstly we have to select the order message. So I've already told you in the previous part of how you can create the order message and what are order messages. So let's suppose I have created an order message, and as soon as on the order message the payment is done by the customer, I want to send the notification of the successful payment towards that customer for that specific order message. So what you can do, from the drop down you will see all the order messages. You can select any specific order message according to your requirement. But what if you want to send this notification in general for all the templates of order messages that you have created? For that we have given the option for all order messages as well. Okay, so you can see it says if all order messages selected, the chosen template will be applied for all the order. If a specific order message is selected, the chosen template will be applied only for the selected order message. Okay, so now I will select the order message for all the orders right here. Okay, and now we have to select this template. Now what are these templates? These are meta approved message template that you create inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So if I'm going to open the template list section of my account from here, you will land towards the templates page. In order to create this select template part, you have to add the template from this section right here. If you want to learn about the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out our YouTube channel in which we have told you how you can create your own unique templates. Okay. Now over here in the template section, these are all the templates that I've created, and there is one template that I have created in the name of successful message. Now you can see in this message I've written, thank you, your payment has been received successfully, order is confirmed, we have started processing it, you will receive the further updates shortly. Now whenever the payment is going to be done by the customer, as soon as they will place the order, the payment will be done. I want to notify the customer with this template that I've created. And we can select that meta approved template. You can see right over here, the status of this template comes as approved. This is meta approved template. Meta needs to approve and then only you can send this message. Okay. The failed, pending, draft, any other status message template that you have created right over here is not visible in this drop down right over here. In the drop down, you can see I have this template right over here in the name of successful message. You can see this is the same template right here that I have created. And as I want to send this message as a notification towards my customer as soon as their payment is done, so I will select this template from here. So on all the order messages, this template will be forwarded of successful message. So let me save this part right over here. Okay. Now, if you, as I've told you, if you're selecting a specific template from the drop down, you can add in other more conditions over here as well. So let's suppose I've selected this one, and now for the second order message template is selected one, I've selected the same template and save it from here. So you can add in other conditions in this enable part over here as well. Okay. So now this is how you set up manage payment success notifications. So now what is going to happen when the status is not success, it's failed? We can set the failed notifications over here as well. Enable this payment feature on right over here. Order message, I will select all orders. If you want, you can select a specific order message as well. And for the template, now I've created a template in the name of payment failed. You can see payment failed. It looks like payment didn't go through. Please try again and use a different payment method. If the amount was deducted, it will be refunded automatically to the bank. Okay. So now over here, I will select this template from the drop down. That is what meta approved. You can see it's meta approved over here. Okay. And as soon as I will select it, click on the save button. And this is how I've managed the payment failure notification over here as well. Now what I'll show you, I'll show you how these notifications are forwarded. Now what I will do is I will send the new order message towards my WhatsApp number from this inbox section right here, and then I will check whether as soon as I have done the payment and the status is updated as successful, whether I receive the auto notification of the successful payment or not. Okay, so let me open my chart from here. So you can see right over here, this is my chart, and towards my number I will create the new order from here. Okay, let me select the order message type. I've created this message and I will select the quantity as 5 from here and create the order. As soon as I have created the order from here, I have received a message on my WhatsApp, and you can see right over here, this is the message I have received. I will share the screenshot of this message on the screen, and on the screen you can see on the inbox section as well, we have shared this order message towards my number. Okay, so now what I will do is I will click on this review and pay button right over here. So let me just screen record 1 second. Okay, so this is the message I have received. I am going to click on this review and pay button right here. Okay, so now my total is coming 5 rupees. So I will click on this continue button from here to do the payment. As soon as I will do the payment right over here, you will see on the screen also in the inbox section the notification has been forwarded, and on my WhatsApp you will see the notification has been forwarded as well. I have received thank you, your payment has been received successfully, your order is confirmed and we have started processing it. You will receive the further update shortly. And if you want to see that the payment was done or not, you will see the status over here is paid. That means the payment was done successfully by this customer. Okay, as I've received the successful payment notification, this is how the successful payment notification feature of Pabbly Chatflow's WhatsApp payment section is going to work. Now what if the status has been updated as failed due to any reason? So let's suppose I'm going to create the new order from here. I'll select the same order. Quantity I will select over here as 5 and create the order again. Okay, as now this order has been created, you can see another order created message has been forwarded towards the same contact, and on my screen recording you can see I've received the same message. I'll click on this review and pay button from here and click on this continue button to do the payment. Okay, and you can see right over here, as the payment was not done, automatically on my screen also I'll show you the screenshot of this message of the failed payment that I have received. It says payment failed. It looks like your payment didn't go through. I've received the payment failed notification over here as well. Okay, I have received the successful payment as well as I have received the failed payment. So this is how the payment notification section of your WhatsApp payment feature of Pabbly Chatflow is going to work. As you will enable these options, automatically you can notify your customers regarding successful payments as well as failed payment statuses. Okay, so if you have questions or doubts related to this section of payment notifications, what you can do is you can simply go to Pabbly forum and ask from our support team regarding any issues. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.